guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday go-to makeup routine. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So jumping right into it, my eyebrows are already done. I've already primed my eyelids as well. I've used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and then I set using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. For shadow, I am using this NYX Lid Lingerie palette, and this one is in, I don't know, it just looks like this pretty much. So the first shade I'm going into is this peachy shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a little bit of a brow bone highlight. Next up, I'm taking this Morphe 535 brush, and this brush is like the shit for blending, y'all. If you don't have this in your life, honey, you need to get your whole life together. I really do like this brush for real though. So the next shade I'm going into is this burgundy brownish orangish shade right here, and I'm just going to be putting this all in my crease area. And what this is doing is basically giving my eyes a little bit of definition and not making them look one-dimensional. I'm even taking the shadow and putting it all over my lid. So basically I'm using this shadow everywhere pretty much. I'm just going to take a little bit of this brown shade just to give my eyes a little bit more definition. And I'm only placing this color right in the socket of my eye, right in that crease area. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I keep my eyes really simple, especially when it's just a go-to makeup face. I do not really wear eyeshadow on the daily, or only when I want to be glam and I want to be popping, or if I'm going out or something like that. Other than that, this is pretty much how my eyeshadow is going to look. So I'm going to pop on my lashes and I'll be back. So these are the lashes that I popped on. These are the Kiss Easy lashes in number 11. You guys see I literally have one more pair left. These are like my favorite drugstore eyelashes. I don't wear any drugstore lashes if they're not these. I just love the way they look and the way they look on my eye shape. For primer, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional Matte Rescue. You know, I really do love this primer. Like, I feel like no other primer really holds me down. I can't even take myself serious. I'm using this in my T-zone area, which is where I tend to get super oily. And I'm not going to rub the primer into my skin. Make sure you're pressing the primer into your skin, honey. So now that primer has had a few seconds to set into my skin, for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I love this foundation for an everyday basis. Not literally every day, but I really love it like as far as my go-to foundation, because it's a medium to light coverage foundation, and it's still going to show some of my imperfections in my face, but it's not going to be super full coverage like my Estee Lauder Double Wear. So this is not going to give me the full glam look, but it is going to give me a makeup natural kind of look, if that makes sense. But I really do love this foundation. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been learning more and more about makeup and about what my skin likes and what I like for my makeup and my skin. So I can honestly say with foundation, less is definitely more, because one, it's too damn hot outside to be wearing any of it for real. Once you conceal and use concealer and powder and all those extra products, sometimes your makeup can get a little bit cakey. So just be careful and be mindful, especially if you like the whole full glam look, like the contour, the highlight, all of that. You want to just be careful when applying your foundation, because you know, your concealer is going to do a lot of the work anyway. That's the main reason why you guys are not seeing me apply foundation directly under my eyes. I've just basically focused my foundation on this area of my face, my mouth, and a little bit, just a little bit on my forehead. For concealer, I am using the OG, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using the shade Cool Tan. This concealer is literally like a ride or die product. Like, if I had to choose one concealer on a deserted island or something, like somewhere crazy, this would be the concealer I would go for. just wanted to let you guys know that my beauty blender is dry. It literally dried out while I was sitting here, but sometimes I really do enjoy doing my concealer with a dry beauty blender. It just gives me more of a flawless finish, and it makes the concealer a little bit more full coverage. And I'm just taking whatever's left over on my sponge and just putting it on my chin. So next I'm setting my face using the BH Cosmetics Studio Powder, and I'm just going to basically set the areas that I did not highlight. And you just want to pack that powder into your skin. So next I am going to set my highlighted areas, and this is basically the way I've been doing my makeup lately, and it's been turning out flawless. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup, y'all already know, and I'm just going to go ahead and set those areas. So just a little tip, putting your powder, your setting powder underneath where you're going to contour, making a line right there, makes it so much easy to contour and to bronze up your skin. So if you have been having trouble with contouring and bronzing, this technique makes it hella easy for you to bronze, because you pretty much already know where you put in the product, and the product is not going to be messy, and it's not going to be like, you know, dirty looking, smudged, and all of that stuff. For bronzer or contouring, I'm going in with the Swiss Chocolate by MAC. This is actually one of their blushes, but I use it as a contour. And this brush is the business, y'all. I'm sorry it's dirty, but this brush is the shit. Like, I can't even explain it no other way. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush, and I really do like, look how thin it is, y'all. Like, it makes it so easy to contour with. So I'm just going to dip in this powder, and I believe this is why my makeup has been flawless, because this is a new item that I've been using. Now I know y'all see that. It makes it so much easier, I'm telling you guys. And as soon as I wipe this powder off, you guys are going to see the magic happen, honey. Now I'm just going to sweep all of that excess setting powder off my face. Do y'all see that? That's snatched. I absolutely love this technique, you guys. I love how it looks. Look at that. It's so sharp, but not too dark. So for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. And this is actually their new packaging, and I really do like this blush for every day, especially when I don't know what kind of lips I'm gonna wear. I feel like this blush goes pretty much with red lips, any lips that I decide to do, because it's such a neutral blush. Okay, let me not get blush crazy, because y'all know I get blush crazy. But for highlighters, I'm using two different ones, and I'm actually gonna layer these on top of each other. They're both Wet n Wild. This one's Crown of My Canopy, and this one is Precious Petals. And to further blend my highlighter, I like to just go over it with my powder brush, just to make sure that it blends in and it looks flawless, hunty. I do have a mold right here. Sometimes it get kind of, you know, lost in the sauce with the makeup, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in. So before I spray my face, I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. So Sometimes I like to add a little color in my waterline. I was thinking about blue because I'm wearing blue today. Or sometimes I do like this nude color. But we'll save it for another video. I can show you guys how to do it. So we're going to go ahead and spray the face. Anyways, for lips, I'm taking MAC Chestnut lip liner and I'm going to line my lips. I'm using this Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick. The packaging is not all that great, but I really love the product and the formula. So I'm just going to apply this to my lips. I love nude lips. Like, nude lips always give me life, y'all. Like, yes honey, yes ma'am. So yeah, I'm gonna top it off with MAC Lipglass and Oystergirl. Now we popping, honey, from basic to baddie. You feel me? Do you feel me? That's pretty much it for this makeup look. I do have a little bit of disclaimer. This is not something that I wear every day because, honey, I am not wearing makeup every day. But this is something I go to when I want to be simple yet cute. And I want to be, you know, glam but not doing too much. You know what I mean? So this is that look. Anyways, if you like the channel and if you like makeup videos and want me to do more, give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and comment below so I'll know. That's it. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video. Not so much noise. Got me some Coke. Got a big ass cup. I need some energy for this video, y'all, so we can jump right into it, honey. I literally have to be... to have energy when I film these videos. If not, I'll just be a boring ass basic bitch.